G'day, Tom from Co-Creative. Let's jump right in and talk about Canva. If you're looking to design a logo in Canva for a business or even a side hustle that's more than just a hobby, I don't think Canva's for you. This video is not to discount Canva. I think it's a great product and it's got lots of use cases, but designing a professional logo for a business you're going to use for many years to come is not the place to do it. We get multiple customers a week who provide us with logos from Canva that are not good enough quality for signage or any print media. The issue is these logos are provided in such low resolution and a pixel-based graphic like a JPEG and cannot be used for cutting equipment such as your Cricuts or your laser cutters or even your CNC plotters. Here are some examples of 3D signs we've made from great vector graphics. Another common issue we come across is a lot of people supply us with the same looking logos because they keep getting served the templates which are popular on Canva. Now, if you don't do it all the time, you wouldn't see it, but you just keep seeing the same logos pop up again and again, and everyone's logo starts looking the same. You're also probably using a font that you don't own as a business and aren't able to use in logo form. Any business, I recommend going out and purchasing the fonts you'd like to use in your logo, any typeface. It's not expensive and it's a great way to have it on file and brand continuity across everything you do. Now, if you don't want to fork out for the pro version, you can save out a file at 500 pixels by 500 pixels, but this isn't going to get you far. This little picture here is a 300 dpi print. This is not even great resolution, and this is how small a print quality image that you can get from Canva is. Just look at it. It is tiny. This is 300 dpi. A good printer is at least 600 dpi. Now, the good news is that Canva Pro account, you can save out a SVG, scalable vector graphic, but you need to have the Pro account. I will explain in a later video on how to save out an SVG on Canva. I will also go into a later video about the difference between pixels and vectors and why it's important to have a vector file for laser cutting or even just getting a Cricut to cut nice shapes out of paper. Now, if this all seems a bit too complicated for you, we do have a service that can redraw your logo no matter how low resolution it is, and we have tiers and it's quite affordable. If you don't want to go through us, I'd go contact your local designer, support local business, and make sure they give you all your files. Don't like those designers who like to lord their files over their customers. I don't think this is a good practice. I think it's all the IP of the customer, and that everything you create for them, they should have full access to. If they don't have the programs to open the files, they can find one. But giving them the AIs or EPSs, whichever CorelDRAW they use, or Illustrator, SVGs, PNGs with no background, all that sort of stuff. If I've missed anything, or you think there's something I've missed or a point I should have made, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next video.